Namaste. In the last class, we have studied about tally marks. Tally marks is used to record ongoing results. Today, we are going to discuss about pictograph. What is pictograph? A pictograph gives information with pictures or symbols. This is a pictograph. First question. Anisha gives stickers to students in her class who behave well. She stamps a star to stand for 2 stickers in her pictograph. The value of 1 star is 2 stickers. Okay, number of stickers for each group. See, Group A, how many stars? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Group B, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group C, 1, 2, 3. Group D, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Group E, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Each star stands for 2 stickers. 1 star, the value of 1 star is 2. See, what does the graph show? That is, Group A has 5 star. Group A has 5 star. It means the value of 1 star is 2. So, the value of 1 star is given. We have to find 5 stars value. It means multiplication. 5 into this 2. This 5 stars into this 2. 5 2s are 10. Then Group A has 10 stickers. See, then Group B. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 stars. So here also each star stands for 2 stickers. Here 6 stars. 1 star 2. 1 star 2. 6 stars. 2 into 6 12. Then Group C. Group C has the least number, that is 3. Here also 1 star 2. 3 star 2 into 3, that is 6. Then Group D. Here also same number of stars. Group B and Group D same number of stars. So here the answer is 12. Here also 12. Then Group E. Group E has the most stickers. More number of stickers. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 stickers. 1 sticker represents 1 star represents 2 stickers. So 2 into 8, that is 16. Okay. See the second question. Ishan and Kat are in the school garden. They want to know the number of flowers of each color in the garden. Here, blue color flowers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 flowers. Orange 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then purple, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Then red, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. Then yellow, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. This much flowers are in the garden. Here they make a pictograph of the flowers. flowers in the school garden. See, each picture, this type of picture stands for 3 flowers. It means, see, blue color, 4 pictures are here. It means one picture represents 3 flowers. That is, one picture 3. 4 such type of pictures, 3 4s are 12. So here 12 blue flowers represents 4 this type of pictures. Okay, then orange, here 6 flowers are here. One this type of picture shows 3 flowers. It means 2 3s are 6. Then next, purple. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. 8 pictures drew here. It means here 24 purple flowers are here. In this picture represents 3 flowers. 8 3s are 24. Then red. Here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 pictures are here. Here 30 red color flowers are here. 3 flowers represents this picture. This one picture. So 10 this type of picture shows 30 red flowers. The next one, yellow. Yellow 1 2 3 4 5 6. 6 pictures are here. Here yellow flowers, 18 yellow flowers are here. One picture represents 3 flowers. So 6 3s are 18. 18 flowers represents 6 this type of pictures. Okay, see the question. First question, what does the pictograph show? This is the question. This pictograph shows the number of flowers for each color. Then question number B, what is the scale used in the pictograph? This is the scale. Each picture stands for 3 flowers. That is the scale. Then question number C, which flowers are the least in number? How many are there? Which flower is least in number? Orange. How many? One picture represents 3 flowers. 2 pictures, 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 6. Which one is least in number? Orange flowers. How many are there? 2 3s are 6. There are 6 orange flowers. Then which flowers are the most in number? Most number, that is red color. There also how many are there? A red color here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. 10 figures are here. One figure represents 3 flowers. So 10 3s are 30. There are 30 red flowers. See, there are 12 flowers of the same color. What is the color of the flowers? Here, see the blue flowers. 12 blue flowers are here. What is the scale? 3. One figure represents 3. So, 12 divided by 3 is equal to 4. 3 4s are 12. So, the answer is 4. The color of the 12 flowers is blue. Then question number, how many more red flowers are there than purple flowers? Comparing to this purple, how many red flowers more? Here 2 figures more. It means, see, there are 2 more this figure for red flowers than purple flowers. This figure represents 3. 2 more. That is 2 3s are 6. There are 6 more red flowers than purple flowers. Then question number G. How many fewer yellow flowers are there than red flowers? Fewer means less. Comparing to red flowers, how many yellow flowers? Less. Comparing to red flowers, how many yellow flowers? Less. How many yellow flowers less? Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 more. Here comparing to this one, 4 less. How many yellow? Less. 4. 4 this type of figure less. It means this figure, this one figure represents 3 flowers. Here 4 figures less. See, there are 4 fewer this figure for yellow flowers than red flowers. 4 fewer, 4 less. This one 3. This one represents 3. 4 into 3, 4 fewer. 4 into 3, 12. There are 12 fewer yellow flowers than red flowers. Next one, drawing pictograph. The chart shows the types of burgers 60 students eat at a picnic. Data is given. We will draw the pictograph. First one, cheeseburger 10, grilled burger 15, crispy veg burger 25, paneer burger 10. The data is given. We will draw the pictograph. First let us make a pictograph to show the number of each type of burger. We can use a scale of 1 this figure to stand for 5 burgers. 10 cheeseburger, this figure represents 5 burgers. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. 10 cheeseburger represents 2 this type of figure. 2 this figure stand for 10 cheeseburgers. Okay, then 25 crispy veg burger. Here also this one figure represents 5 burgers. 25 divided by 5 is equal to 5. It means 5 this type of figure represents 25 crispy veg burgers. See the pictograph, number of each type of burger. Cheeseburger. Here this figure stands for 5 burgers. Already given 10 burger. 10 divided by this 5 is equal to 2. 10 cheeseburger represents 2 these figures. 5 plus 5, 10. Then grilled burger, that is 15. 15 divided by 5. 15 divided by 5. 3. 3 5s are 15. So 3 this type of figures. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. Then crispy veg burger 25. 25 divided by 5. 5. So crispy veg burger 5 this type of figures. Then paneer burger, that is 10. 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Already we draw that one. 10 represents these two. Here also 10 represents these two figures. That is the pictogram. First question. Akif and Ishan asked the students of some classes about their usual bedtime on Saturdays. They make a pictograph that shows the number of students who sleep at each time. See the tabular column. Bedtime of students. 9:30, that is 9:30. 2 pictures. See, each of these pictures stands for 5 students. Here the time 9:30, 2 pictures, that is each picture represents 5. 5 plus 5, 10 students. 9:30, how many students? 10 students. 10 o'clock, 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15 students. Then 10:30, that is 10:30, how many students? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. Then 11 o'clock, how many students? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. 25 plus 5, 30. Then 11:30, that is 11:30. How many students? 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 5, 25. See, this is the question. See the first one. Question number A. Dash students sleep at 10:30. See, 10:30, that is 10:30. How many students? Here how many pictures are here? 4 pictures. 4 picture. Each picture represents 5. That is 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 4 5s are 20. So 20 students sleep at 10:30. Then second question. Dash fewer students sleep at 10 o'clock than 11 o'clock. Fewer means lesser, less. Comparing to 11, 10 o'clock, how many students less in 10 o'clock? See, 11 o'clock, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 students. That is 11 o'clock. 10 o'clock, 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 5, 15. 15 students. 10 o'clock, 15 students. 30 minus 15. 30 minus 15. What is the answer? Here 10 minus 5, 5. 2 minus 1, 1. 15. Then next one, question number C. The least number of students sleep at least number. See the total tabular column and the least number of students. This is least number, that is 9:30. See, at 9:30, that is 9:30. Then D. The most number of students sleep at most number of students, that is 11 o'clock. 11 o'clock. Here the answer is 15. Next question. The given pictograph shows the number and types of shells Roshan collects. Use the pictograph to answer the questions. First question, Roshan collects 10 snail shells. See the pictograph. This first one, spiral shell, snail shell, fan shell, conch shell. Snail shell, Roshan collects 10 snail shells. Here the picture only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See what does each picture stands for. See, the total collection is given. We want to find one picture's value. It means total given, we want to find one. It means already we studied division. That is 10 divided by 5 is equal to 2. Each picture stands for 2. The next question, Roshan's friend gives him 8 more snail shells. How many snail shells does he have altogether? Already he have 10 shells. 8 more shells his friend gave. Total 18 shells. 18 shells. Here each picture stands for 2 shells. Okay. Today we have studied about pictograph. Now the time to wind up. Namaste.